Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate. If you're new here, I hope you stop well, and if you're returning, it's lovely to see you again. Today I'm going to be showing you my FabFitFun box for fall. It arrived in today. This is my first FabFitFun box. I did sign up in June, but my first box, my summer box, has gone missing. So this is the first box that's arrived. It's been in the UK. This would be the second season. The summer season, I think, was the first one. It is an American subscription box. I'm just going to check up the price of it. It's £10 delivery fee. $10 delivery fee, sorry, and £49.99 for monthly. If you sign up to it yearly, it is $179.99 in dollars, and it's $40 delivery fee. It's £10 for each $10 for each time. So that works out at £181 and odd pence in today's exchange rate if you sign up for the full year. So when you open up the box, this is what you see. FabFitFun, and you get this booklet that comes with it so that you can read up on what's in your box and different things. So I'm just opening it up just now. The first choices that are there are you could get a plush ultra soft plaid scarf, Anthropology travel yoga mat, an Amica strand perfect ceramic styler, or a mobile white advanced teeth whitening kit, or you could pick mystery and then they would choose the item for you. I actually chose the mobile tooth whitening system, but for some reason it was taken off the edit, so they picked something at random to give me. So this is a quick look at the box. So the first item that I got, take all this, was the ultra soft plaid scarf. Its retail value is $75. It says nothing says fall like a cozy scarf, especially when it comes in a classic plaid print. Not something I would have picked, I must say. The next choice would have been the Amiga styler, but hey ho, I have it now. So this is in itself is classed as the whole price of your box, because this is $75. Would I pay $75? No. I have a thicker scarf and I got it off Amazon for £10. A big shawl type scarf. But hey, somebody might pay that much for it. Okay, the next choices is a Kate Spade lunch tote, which looks like that. Nasi FMD detox pads, which is there. Cut from the cloth slim stripped wallet, which is that one up there, or a twine cheese board with plate, which is this one here. And I chose the detox pads, complexion perfection pads with alpha beta hydroxy, 60 pads in the container. And they're all sealed. I'm going to leave them sealed because I have other cleanser stuff to use at the moment. So what it says about this is Nasi FMD detox pads. Just a few swipes of this cleansing pad, deep cleansing, exfoliates and firms your skin's appearance while softening lines and wrinkles, and it says that this is a retail value of £45. So that's a good one there. Okay, the next choices are the Better Skin Co Lava Magic. I don't even know where that is on that page, but okay. Bobble Bar Farah Ear Crawlers, Cosmetic Pure C, Body Boost Gel. And I went for the Bobble Bar Ear Crawlers, which look like this. And that's the backs of them. So these should go up your ears that way. Or if you've got a whole ears, we should put it around that way. But my piercings are here, so it would go that way. I just thought they were quite different, and I've been fancying ear crawlers for a while and thought, why not? It's in the box. Be a great little item to have, and as far as I'm aware, you just push these to tighten them towards your ears so that they sit upright. If you do have smaller ears and it looks odd going up the way, I suppose you could wear them as dangles. Either way, they're quite cute, quite like them. These are a retail value of $34. It says, from the intricate embellishments to the modern silhouette, these earrings are absolute showstoppers. So I'm really pleased with those. The next item choices are E-Pair Dual Salt and Pepper Mill, an After Spa Hair Towel Wrap, a Trestique Mini Eye Essentials set of 4 pencils, the Skinvolve Body Boost Gel. So I went for the E-Pair 2-in-1 grinder. Your salt and onions and your pepper in the other. Because our one gave up the ghost, so I thought, well, since it's there, why not? So that's what it looks like. Salt, onion, pepper in the other. So you just undo it for your pepper and for your salt. And I'm assuming I have to put batteries in this. Either that or it's maybe it's a handheld. Well, it's even better. It shouldn't break. The last one was a push button one. I think that's why it gave up the ghost. The motor went in it. It's a nice one, so that will replace the one that died on me. The retail value of this one is $21.95. So I appreciate that one. It's a good one. Something for the home. The next items on the list is either an Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relief Roller Ball. I think that's just for your pulse points that you put that on. Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks 6-pack. Or the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. Okay. I went for the Wonder Beauty eye masks. And they come in a little packet. This is the shapes of them. I think we recently got one of these in one of my beauty boxes in the UK, but I did enjoy them, so I've got 5 of those now. The RRP for this is £25. £20. Dollars. I get used to saying dollars for this one. So yeah, really like that. Really enjoy that one. The next thing is a choice of the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, Harper API Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in... No, hang on. This is the next things are things that everyone receives. Yeah. Okay, so I've got the Humankind Skincare with Conscience Body Souffle, 200 mils. I would sniff it, but those of you that aren't new to my channel know I have no sense of smell, so there's no point in me trying to sniff it. This is lather yourself into a souffle blend of apricot and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturised, and it is $18. Woohoo, remember to say dollars. Oh, it is sealed at the moment. I'll leave it sealed. Actually, I don't know if there's a smell of it, but it says it's natural, vegan and cruelty free, so that's lovely. Look forward to trying that one. Okay, the next item in the box is, it says Juice Cleanse Harper and APR Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. $16. So you get about 8 cubes in here, and this is what they look like. Remind me of cola cubes. So they're squishy. You squish them in your hands and scrub yourself all over. So 1 cube should do each shower. No, can't smell. And the last thing in the box is the Damage Repair Aveda Daily Hair Repair. It says it's infused with quinoa, protein, macadamia oil and soya. Instantly repairs and protects your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees, and this is $30. So it's 100 milliliters. Sorry about that. To recap, we have the plush scarf, the Wonder Beauty eye patches, the detox pads, the salt and pepper grinder, the Humankind Body Souffle shower wash, the Harper APR Exfoliating Sugar Cubes, the Aveda Damage Repair Daily Hair Repair Heat Styler, the Bubble Bar earrings. I would put them all back in my box, but someone has claimed it. Sure, say hello. Let's say hello. This is Scampy. Someone decided to claim the box for his own. Sure. Every time I open a box, or it was the Primark bag earlier when I came home and I unpacked all the stuff straight into a bag, it was like, why? Why? I don't know. Sure. Silly puts gap. So I will add all the details about the box down below. It says the box artist for this edit was Cecilia Castelli, and she is an Italian illustrator. So there we go. And the cause they're supporting this for this box is City of Hope. Women owned brands that they're supporting this time. Or sorry, that they are showcasing this time in the box. I have to say, I like everything that's in there. I probably won't use the scarf, but I could gift it. Everything else I will use because I chose, so I'm happy with that. I have signed up for the year, so I will be showing you my next boxes as they come. They are seasonal boxes, so you get 4 boxes a year. And the next one will be due in, where are we? August, so it'll be December. No, November. Don't know my months. Hopefully I will get my summer box that was supposed to have been here a couple of weeks ago. I have contacted them and they are looking into it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Edit, if you do unboxing or if you've used any of these items at all, let me know down below and I will come and have a lookie. Thank you. Bye bye now.